Most people on GLP-1 medications are eating the wrong snacks, and it's slowing their weight loss. Your medication cuts hunger, but it's also costing you muscle. Here's how to fix it. Protein doesn't just fill you up, it makes your body burn more calories, up to 30%, just to digest it. Not carbs, not fat, protein. So every time you eat it, your metabolism goes up without you doing anything. Most snacks people eat on GLP-1 are useless. If it doesn't have 15 to 20 grams of protein, it's not helping you lose fat. Start with this, Greek yogurt with berries. 15 to 20 grams of protein, fills you fast, keeps you full longer. And the berries, they kill cravings without spiking your hunger again. Next, 2 hard-boiled eggs, 12 grams of protein, cheap, simple, almost perfect. This is one of the most complete proteins you can eat, and it works every time. And this one surprises people, milk, but not regular milk. Fairlife, up to 30 grams of protein, easy to drink, especially when you're not even hungry. And then there's edamame, 11 grams of protein per cup, plus fiber. That combo? It shuts down hunger much better than most snacks people reach for. When you're busy, this saves you. Turkey or beef jerky, 10 grams of protein per ounce, no prep, no thinking, just make sure, low sodium, no added sugar. Now, this one surprises people. Cottage cheese, 15 grams of protein. But the real reason it works, it digests slowly, which means you stay full way longer than you expect. Want something lighter, but still filling? Smoked salmon with cucumber. Protein plus healthy fats. That combo slows digestion, so you stay full longer without feeling heavy. And this one hits differently. Chickpeas with lemon and celery. Protein plus fiber. That combo, it controls hunger and keeps your digestion steady. And this last one is the one you'll actually use. Tuna pouch, 15 to 20 grams of protein, no prep, no cooking, open it, eat it, done. This is where most people mess it up. They snack, but it's random, no plan, no protein. So keep it simple. If your snack doesn't have protein, it's not helping you. Add fiber if you can. Prep ahead, because when you're tired, you'll grab whatever is easiest. And those protein bars, some of them are just candy with better marketing. I'm Afsoon, a medical provider, but not your personal clinician. If this made things clearer, follow for more simple, practical health breakdowns.